Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a pipe cleaner heart. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is actually a pipe cleaner heart, and I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways to make something like this. Let's get right into the video. So I'm going to untwist this, and I'll show you the first way, which is actually the way that I just showed you right now. Okay, so you want to start off with a fresh pipe cleaner and have a couple extra ones or spare ones to the side, just in case this doesn't work out, but it did work out perfectly. Okay, so essentially you want to get both ends of the pipe cleaner and you want to twist them together and give them quite a few twists, because if you only twist it a couple of times, then what's going to happen is it might not stay, and you want it to stay in place. So twist it quite a few times. That's going to form the bottom of the heart. You're going to go at the top here. You're going to curve it downwards like that to create the upper loops of the heart. And then essentially, because a heart has a little bit of a pointy spot in the middle like that, you want to really make it pointy. Then you can balance it out and make it look perfect. Take your time, make any adjustments that you want to make. But at the end of the day, you know, this is the easiest way to make a pipe cleaner heart. Okay, now the other way is to make a pipe cleaner heart with a stem. Okay, so just give me a quick moment here. Let me untwist this and I'll show you how to, you know, let me just use a fresh one. I'll just use a fresh one over here. So essentially for this one, you're going to take one end, you're going to meet it up about halfway, and then you're going to twist it on the halfway point like this. Okay, once you've twisted it on the halfway point, you're going to then go and make your heart. It's going to be much smaller than the last version, but it also has like a stem on it, just like that. And obviously you can make it look perfect if you want to, but I'm just trying to show you exactly how to do it. So that's the second method. Now the third method is actually an enhancement of this, which is to fill this in and make it nice and full. So essentially I want to take this bottom part and I'm going to wrap it around. Okay, and what you can do is you can weave it in and out. So at the beginning, obviously, because this is a small area, you can just wrap it around. But then what you want to do is you want to weave it in and out. So I'm going to weave it in through here, okay, and then out through here, wrap it around, weave it in through here, okay, and out through there, wrap it around, weave it in through here, and then obviously you're going to run out of pipe cleaner. So what you can do is you can connect an additional piece. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to connect an additional piece over here. Just like this, twist them together, like I said, multiple times to make sure they don't separate, and then continue weaving. And obviously you would choose something that is the same color. I thought this was the same color, but obviously it's not. It's a similar color, but it's not the same. And you're going to continue weaving in and out to fill in that heart, okay? And eventually it's all going to be filled in. And yeah, I mean, I guess I don't need to show you the rest of it, but essentially you just want to keep weaving it in and out, and that's it. Eventually it's all going to be filled in, and it's going to look like a beautiful filled in heart. You're going to do a much better job than I am, because right now I'm just trying to show you how it's done. But yeah, at the end of the day, that's how to make a pipe cleaner heart. It's very simple. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.